Hello dear students, welcome to the English session. We are talking about editing, and in our session today we are going to discuss omissions and practice some questions related to omissions. We all know that editing is carefully reviewing a piece of writing to find and correct the errors. Now these errors could be grammatical errors, spelling and punctuation mistakes, even word choice mistakes can be there. We are going to talk about one more aspect today, and that is looking for the missing word and adding it at the proper place. This comes under the category omissions. Now let us do a warm-up exercise. There are 4 sentences. We'll read them one by one. Many people attended the funeral, the great man. When we read this sentence, we find that there is some word missing at this place, and that word should be of. So the sentence becomes, many people attended the funeral of the great man. Let us read the second sentence. Sita could not understand what the teacher saying. So the missing word must be here, and the word is was. So the sentence becomes, Sita could not understand what the teacher was saying. Was is a helping verb here. The of sheep blocked the road. Now the missing word here, and the word is flock, which is a collective noun, and the sentence becomes, the flock of sheep blocked the road. Now the next sentence. The children decided to surprise Miss Sharma on birthday. So if we write her here, it will make a better sense. The children decided to surprise Miss Sharma on her birthday. The next sentence, birds of feather flock together. This is an idiom, and the missing word is here, and the word is a. Birds of a feather flock together, which means people with similar interests, they connect with each other very easily. Coming to the 6th sentence, the teacher called me 12 o'clock. This is time, so we should write at here. The sentence becomes, the teacher called me at 12 o'clock. 7th sentence, the sweets were distributed all the children. Now here again the preposition is missing, and where the sweets were distributed, at this point we should write among. The sweets were distributed among all the children. Let's move to practicing a passage. Now here we have a passage. Let us read and fill it with the missing word. Filled with dash sense of pride dash he will be representing his state dash national level. Sunil is training very hard dash he has represented state before dash says that dash is always a proud moment. Filled with a sense of pride. So we should write a here, precisely here. Filled with a sense of pride that he will be representing his state at national level, Sunil is training very hard. Although the sentence is beginning with a conjunction. Although he has represented state before, he says that it is always a proud moment. So this is how it will look. Let's practice one more passage. It is a well-fact that regular exercise several benefits, but recent research found that workout positively impact our memory bone density. It is a well-known fact that regular exercise has several benefits, but recent research has found that workout can positively impact our memory and bone density. So here, and this is how it will look. It's time to end our session, and you can see on the screen there's a passage where there are a number of words that are missing. Identify those missing words, apply them in this passage and rewrite the passage with the correct words inserted. Till we meet next time, take care.